Hello guys, in today's video I'll be discussing about the guarantee topic where guarantee is given by the firm to the partner regarding the profit, and also the guarantee is given by the partner to the firm for the earning of the profits. Here in this question, XYZ were three partners. The profit sharing ratio was 2 to 1. Deed provided that X had guaranteed to the firm that firm will earn an annual fee of rupees 1,60,000 because of him. So this is the guarantee that partner has given to the firm. The next case, Z was guaranteed. Here, Z was guaranteed by the firm that he would be earning a minimum profit of rupees 70,000. If his profit is less, then this deficiency X and Y will bear, in which ratio 3 is to 2. Here X and Y are sharing profits mutually. If we say only X and Y, then their ratio is 2 is to 2. But for the deficiency sharing, their ratio is given 3 is to 2. So we will use this ratio for deficiency sharing. During the year, X earned fee of rupees 1,40,000. Now, X has guaranteed to the firm that how much profit he will earn for the firm is 1,60,000, but actually he could make a profit of 1,40,000. So, how much was the deficiency because of X guarantee? That was of rupees 20,000, right? So, now 20,000 rupees X will be giving to the firm. So, X will become the debtor of the firm. X will become the debtor of the firm for the amount of rupees. Minimum guaranteed was 1,60,000, but he could earn 1,40,000, so the difference is of 20,000. Now, the profit of the firm was 80,000 before providing for above ticket. So this is before providing above adjustment, how much profit the firm could make, that is 80,000. Now, here for the P&L appropriation, the profit earned by the firm was of rupees 80,000 and X has to pay to the firm is 20,000. So X became the debtor. So X capital account debit to P&L appropriation account. That's why X capital account is appearing on the credit side of the that is on the credit side of your P&L appropriation account, because the journal became X debit to P&L appropriation account. So P&L appropriation account, the entry would go with the X capital account. So this is placed over here with rupees 20,000 for the difference value which is not earned by X, right? Now, after that, there was a total profit of rupees 1 lakh, which is distributable in which ratio 2 to 1. So this 1 lakh profit when went for 2 to 1 ratio, that means 1 lakh multiplied by 2 by 5, 1 lakh multiplied by 2 by 5, 1 lakh multiplied by 1 by 5. We got a value of 40, 40 and 20. But this person, that is Z, was guaranteed a minimum of 70 and now we are giving him 20. So how much he need to be added here, that is with 50,000 should be added to his profit. This 50,000 which we are adding to him is because of the deficiency which was guaranteed by X and Y. So this total guaranteed amount, that is of rupees 50,000, was payable by X and Y, in which ratio 3 is to 2 ratio. So this 50,000 3 by 5, how much was guaranteed by X, that was 30,000, and among 2 by 5, how much was guaranteed by Y, that is 20,000. So what is the leftover profit for X? X could get only a profit of rupees 10,000. Y could get only a profit of rupees 20,000. But here Z got a total profit of rupees 70,000 out of the 1 lakh, right? So this is the case of here where guarantee was given to the partner also, and partner also guaranteed to the firm for the minimum annual fee generation. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.